Okay, guys. So now we are going to talk about equation of the tangent. Okay, what is the equation of a tangent? How can see? First of all, I'm giving you an explanation about tangent. Tangent, tangent is a line which intersects boundary of circle in this scenario. Otherwise, we call it as curve also. Boundary of circle, circumference only at one point and makes 90-degree angle with radius of the circle. Okay, so as you can see, this is the circle. These are the radius which I have mentioned, and these are the line which is passing through the center, which is passing through the boundary of the circle, and it is just touching at one point. So we call it as tangent line, which makes 90-degree over here. Okay. Now the question is saying that we have to find the equation of tangent at 1 comma 1 on a circle x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y equals to 8. This is the thing which is given to me. Acha. Now I'm drawing a rough sketch so I can then explain you guys how we are going to do the working over. Okay, so now this circle is in front of you. This is the circle. Let's say this is the circle whose equation, and it's a rough sketch. Nothing is accurate, just a rough sketching. This I have marked as the center, and this is the point where the tangent is touching the circle. And let's say we are saying that this point, which is here, is 1 comma 1. Okay, this is the center coordinate. Sorry, this is the point where the circle is touching it. Okay, now what I'm going to do over here, first of all, I will make a line to the center. Okay, let's say this is the center where I'm touching it. Okay, and the coordinate of the center, which is right now not given to me, I'm marking them as a comma b, because that is in the formula a comma b. Okay, now what I'm going to do over here, first of all, I will find the gradient of this line, which is connecting the center and point of intersection. And as we know that tangent makes a 90-degree with the radius of the circle, so if the gradient of this line is m, then the gradient of this line will be negative reciprocal, means minus 1 over m. Okay, so let's start with this working first and see where can we go over here. First of all, I need the center coordinate. The equation of the circle is given to me, so I will start from this position. My formula, which is already written over here, will be x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2by plus a square plus b square minus r square equals to 0. Okay, this is the question. General formula of equation of circle I have got, and the equation which is given to me, I'm writing that equation also over here. It is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y minus 8 equals to 0. Okay, I only need center coordinate. I don't need any radius. I only need center coordinate. Okay, so what I'm going to do for finding out center, I will do comparing of coefficients. Okay, I will do the comparison of the coefficient. And what will be that comparison? First of all, comparison of x, comparison of x, which is minus 2a from the question, and 2, see, coefficient of x is minus 2a, coefficient of x is 2, so I am comparing them. So when I will simplify it, the value of a will be 2 upon minus 2, which is a equals to minus 1. That is my first working. Now I will do the same working for y coefficient. So you can see in the question y is minus 2b. The coefficient of y is minus 2b in the formula, and in the question the coefficient of y is 4. So when I will simplify it, b equals to 4 upon minus 2, b equals to minus 2, right? So the center coordinates are coming over here as minus 1 and minus 2, right? I've got the center coordinate, which I'm writing in the diagram also, minus 1 comma minus 2. Okay, so now what I have to do, I have to find the tangent, the gradient between this point and this point to find the gradient of this line, which is the radius over here. I don't need the length of the radius, so I'm not going for r. I've just found the center, and now I'm going to find the gradient. We know that the gradient formula is m equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is the formula of the gradient. Okay, so what is going to happen over here will be, I will mark them. Let's see what can be the marking I can have. I'm marking them as x1, y1, and this will be x2 and y2 as my marking, right? So plotting the values in the formula to get the gradient, m equals to y2 as it is in the diagram, 1 minus sign of the formula, y1 is minus 2 upon x2 is 1 minus sign of the formula, x1 is minus 1. So when I will simplify it, what is going to happen over here? 1 minus minus plus 2. 1 minus minus plus 1. equals to 3 upon 2. That is going to be the gradient over here. M equals to 3 upon 2. Okay. Now, if M is this and I want to reciprocal this thing, reciprocal means 1 upon M. Okay. Because over here I want minus 1 over M. So first of all, 1 over M will become 2 over 3. You will just flip everything, and then thus I'm putting minus sign over here. Minus sign means whatever will be the sign over here, it will change. So over here the sign is positive, so this will become negative. So for this thing, minus 1 over M, this is the value which I'm getting over here. Okay, that is the negative reciprocal of the gradient, and it is coming minus 2 over 3. Now I have to find the equation of tangent, and in order to find the equation of tangent, the formula which I am going to use over here for this tangent is y equals to, now gradient of this line. The gradient of this line is represented by minus 1 over m. Okay, but if for instance somewhere you have seen it is written m, so don't be confused and don't start using this one. It is for this line gradient beta. Okay, so whatever is the gradient over here, it will be coming over here. People can write it like this, or they can write it in the same way, y equals to mx plus c. So it means the gradient of this line. Now I don't have to do anything with this. The gradient of this line and the gradient of this line is minus 2 over 3. So either it is this or this. You will be using minus 2 over 3, not 3 over 2. Okay, be careful about this thing. So plotting my values over here, phi value which is on this line is 1 equals to minus 1 over m. Minus 1 over m was coming minus 2 over 3. In place of x is again 1 plus c. Simplifying, it will become 1 equals to minus 2 over 3 plus c. Acha, don't shift this c 3 directly on the other side. Don't shift it. If you want to shift 3 on this side, then 3 should be the denominator of every term, which is not. So either first take LCM, then shift 3 on the other side, or shift the whole fraction over here, which I'm doing 1 plus 2 over 3 equals to c. Okay, so when I will be simplifying, taking LCM, 3 plus 2 over 3 equals to c. So the value of c is coming 5 over 3. Okay, this is the value of c which we have got for the tangent line. Now what I'm going to do, I will plot it back over here with value of this but not value of y and x to get my final answer. So let's put the value y equals to minus 1 over m x plus c. So y will remain y. Minus 1 over m was minus 2 over 3x plus c is coming 5 over 3. Now, as you can see, the 3 is the denominator of all. So I can shift 3 on the other side. First of all, taking LCM means minus 2x plus 5 upon 3. 3 is shifted over there. 3y equals to minus 2x plus 5. And the final result of equation of tangent, which I am going to get, will be 2x plus 3y equals to 5. Okay. And what you can do over here, you can leave your answer like this purple box. That can be your answer. You can leave your answer like this purple box. This can be your answer. Or you can leave your answer with this purple box. All these three will represent equation of tangent.